transmission and publication of results by any person or body other than ZEC is unlawful, criminal, and will be dealt with accordingly. We have also noticed unprecedented interest and unwarranted interference in internal political processes by some local actors whose activities endanger our national security. Some of these organizations have gone beyond observation and literally want to monitor and supervise electoral processes. The state is ready to invoke the necessary instruments to deal with these subversive organizations. There have also been other international players who have partnered with some subversive local players to deploy in the country, disguised as election observers and/or researchers, yet in reality, they are engaged in activities that threaten peace in the country. Such characters will be exposed and deported without fear or favor. The nation is assured that the security forces are fully prepared to deploy all their might throughout the election season and beyond in order to deal with any mischief makers. The Zimbabwe Republic Police, in particular, will be adequately deployed to ensure that people exercise their political rights in peace. This statement therefore serves to warn all those who wish to disturb the peace and tranquility that we as the security forces will not hesitate to defend the Constitution in order to please a few individuals who have no interest in the sustenance of national peace and security. Zimbabweans have the right to elect their leaders they want in peace. Those who win the imminent elections are expected to demonstrate magnanimity as they celebrate their victory. Likewise, those who will emerge unsuccessful should gracefully accept the will of the people and encourage their supporters to embrace the outcome.